জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়
I really didn't realize it. I'm really sorry. I'm taking you while you are unwell. I should have kept this in mind. I made a mistake. So sorry. I'll drive. I'll drive slowly. Careful! You'll get hurt. So sorry, I didn't realize it. Actually, the speed breaker came all of a sudden. Did you get hurt because of the jerk? Let me see. Show it to me.
Why do you sympathize with the one you want to get rid of?
Listen, get off my car. I said get off my car. Come on, get off.
Mr. Karmakar, Tarun sir, listen, please. Where are you going?
Don't try to stop me, Mr. Basu. I need to go to Trineni right now. I'll find her address at any cost and no one can stop me.
But
Right. I was making a mistake. Mr. Topabrato, you know which village Trineni hails from. You know her address. Please tell me. Please don't waste any more time. I need to go to Trineni. Why don't you understand?
listen. I'll also come along with you. You're not alone. I'll come with you, all right?
Great. You will come along?
Yes.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Topo! Don't go. No one needs to go there.
Why, Mom? Why are you forbidding us? The girl is in deep trouble, Mom. If anything happens to her while saving the temple, then...
I know, but think about it. After overcoming all the problems and obstacles, just the two of them are together. They will travel this long distance together. Maybe the goddess also wished the two of them to be alone. Maybe that's why she made her see such a bad dream. Think about it. The goddess protects the universe and takes away everyone's sorrow. She helps everyone. Does she need any help? Tell me. That's why I'm saying not to go. Let them be alone.
Does Lord really want them to be alone, Mom? Does he want to bring them closer? Is that why he sent them together? Lord, oh Lord, everything happens as per your will.
Should I get off the car?
Yes, get off. Because you've been asking questions one after another ever since you get into the car. And you can't ask so many questions if you want to go with me.
Why do you get so angry if I ask you questions, Ripto?
Because I don't like answering questions. Please don't irritate me. I'll really make you get off my car now.
Aren't you feeling scared?
Scared? For what?
What if I really get off the car and go back to your house instead of going to the temple?
No, you don't have to get off. I'll drop you off at the temple.
Don't be scared, Tripto. I am not going to the temple because you are driving me away. I am going to the temple because it's important for me. So even if you make me get off the car, I won't go back to your house.
That's what I'm not able to understand. You were sitting outside the house even after being thrown out of the house. Why are you so eager to go back to your village?
You don't understand a lot of things, Tripto. So it's okay if you don't understand the seed.
As if you understand everything. You don't understand the meaning of seatbelt and you want to reason with me. Wow.
Had you really understood things, you couldn't have said that you got into trouble the other day because of me. Had you understood everything, you wouldn't have been eager to send me away to the village. I want to be with you so that I can always protect you. I'll be always where you are.
Enough. Not another word. She starts talking as soon as she gets a chance. Listen, don't talk throughout the journey, please.
Do you? I won't be able to go, Tripto. I won't be able to leave you and go. Wherever Tripto is, I will also stay there. You can think of me as whatever you want, but I can't go away from you, Tripto. Tripto!
Hey son, how long will it take? I am worried about my daughter.
We are almost there.
Oh my! Pleasant cool air is coming out of this. What is this?
Nothing. Move your hand away. Let the air come. Come on, move.
Is this car yours?
Hmm.
How many cars do you have? Oh my! Such a huge house. Is your house also this big? Tell me, how many servants are there? The daughter-in-law of the family don't have to do any work. They rest all day long, right? Tell me, do the daughters-in-law of the family wear expensive saris and what is it called? Embroidered? Do they wear all these saris? They wear a lot of ornaments, right? My sister also has a lot of ornaments, right? Okay, how many people are there in your family?
What is wrong with you? You're talking non-stop since then. What is this? What is that?
You have a lot of attitude, right? Fine. Now that I've come along, you will see how I am. You will get to know if I have compassion or not. You'll get to see my true colors.
Okay, we all have reached.
Is this a hospital? Is my Trinani here? Please open the door of the car. I'll get off.
Lord knows what's going on inside. I don't even know how Trinine is. It won't be right to take them inside directly. If anything wrong has happened, these people won't be able to take the shock.
Hey son, please open the door. We'll go and meet Nayan.
No, listen, you all, please sit here. Let me go in first and check. Actually, I have no idea where these people have shifted her.
What?
I mean, I don't know where these people have taken her. I'll ask the reception of the nursing home and then I will take you all inside. Okay? You all please sit here. I'll be right back.
But
Madam, what is the condition of Trinaini Basu? I mean,
She's
how is
gone.
she? What do you mean? What are you saying? When did this happen? I mean,
Sir, she's all right. I mean to say, she's not here anymore. Her husband got her discharged and took her away.
oh Lord, you scared me, madam. It means she has recovered enough to get discharged. Good, thank you. But if he got her discharged, he must have taken her home. Strange. Dripto took her home. What happened to Dripto all of a sudden?
Wonderful. Thankfully, Nayan warned me. Or else we would have been involved in a horrible accident. Thank you. Thank you so much. Something horrible would have happened.
We'll talk about it later. First, unfasten the belt. I have to go to the kids. I need to go
Yes.
and check them. Come on. Get up. Nothing will happen. Get up. Hold my hand. Come on, nothing will happen. Easy. Come on. It's okay, come. Sit here. Sit. Sit.
What happened? Did he get hurt?
An accident has happened.
Okay.
You please give him some water.
Sure.
I'll go
Yes,
and check
I'll
on
get
the
some
kids.
water.
Sit.
Calm down.
Why are you crying, child? Don't cry, don't cry. What happened? Why are you crying? Nothing has happened. Aren't you a good girl? Nothing has happened. Come here, come here. Come here. What happened? What happened, huh? Don't cry. Aren't you a good girl? Why are you crying? Okay, listen. Let's tell him that he shouldn't drive so fast. Tell him. Scold him. Come on. Scold him. Tell him he shouldn't drive so fast.
You shouldn't drive so fast.
Right. Tell him you could have been injured. Don't cry. You are a good girl. Don't cry. Okay? It's okay. It's okay. Nothing has happened. Don't cry.
Hey, listen. The place where they operated on is bleeding.
I think I got a bit hurt when the car jerked. Don't worry about me. I need to go and check on the old man. My child, nothing has happened, okay?
Trinani! Trinani! Trinani!
Son, what did you see? Where have they kept Nayan?
No, actually, Trinayani is not here. She's better now. So my brother got her discharged and took her home. You all come with me. I'll take you to my home, and there you can meet her.
Home? Your home? I mean, son.
We haven't come prepared, so I was saying that going to your place.
Grandfather, you and mother go overboard with everything. Why are you hesitating so much? We've come to see Nayan. So won't we go to the house where she is staying and meet her? Strange. Please, let's go. Take us to your place. I also must get married into a rich family like Sister Nayan. Shouldn't I see the house?
Trinani! Listen, is there a doctor or a hospital nearby? Please tell me.
Yes, there is. Go straight on this road. There is a doctor's clinic. You may find a doctor there.
Okay, fine. You please open the door, please.
What happened to that aunt, mister? She was so nice. She pampered us so much. Let's go, mister. Let's go with that aunt, please.
Yes. Okay. What you may do is get into the rickshaw. Come on. Get in one by one. Sir, you carry on. I'll follow you. I'll show you the clinic, okay?
Yes, please come.
Sir! Follow me! I'm going!